location or something, you put a sort of effect on top of it to enhance it, like any kind of dust, any kind of color gradients, etc. This is all enabled by a software called Sparkia Studio, which Maninder, who is our expert for the day, will be taking you through. We have about there are like all of you, we have about 600 million people using AR or augmented reality on across the Meta apps like Instagram and Facebook, across different products, reels, stories, etc. And this is something that enhances what is already something that you see through your camera. It enhances something that you see through your camera. Can you go to the next slide? I have put together some examples for you guys, just to familiarize or just to refresh your memories on what AR effects are essentially. So there are experiences through AR which are either face tracking or face masks. So anything to do with your face filters. If you guys remember, one of the first ones that we all remember is like having a dog AR effect, where you have big ears like a dog and a nose like a dog, etc. Then there's world tracking. So in your environment, wherever you are sitting right now, you can just open your Instagram with an AR effect and look at different 3D objects in your environment and interact with them. The third one is target tracking. So you must have seen some kind of examples where a poster comes to life. So you put your camera in front of a poster and you can experience it or engage with it in real time. The last one is hand or body tracking, which essentially means that Sparkia Studio enables you to track a hand movement or a body movement of a user and create experiences around the same. Next slide. Can we move to the next slide, please? Yeah. So we have some creative creations around AR effects. You must have seen these AR effects which says, how good a kisser are you, or how potentially how good a person are you, how is your 2022 going to be like. And there are these photo booths AR effects that you might have seen a bunch of creators build reels on top of. It essentially is a 3D experience that can be experienced with your head movements or blinking of your eye or pouting or smiling or frowning, etc. So those are called triggers, which Maninder will talk about in the session to come. Next slide, please. So here is a effect that got really popular, which is a Todd Talk effect. So how RJ Abhinav in this GIF is talking about his one liner, like we all love PJs in India. So it's a proper platform for you to deliver your PJs, and then you can celebrate different moments with an AR effect. So this is all enabled by Sparkia Studio. Next slide. Now I'll just quickly introduce Maninder. He is from Chandigarh. He's been building on Sparkia Studio for the last 5 years. He's worked with a bunch of brands and bunch of creators. He's been with us with Meta India and is a certified AR a Sparkia Studio creator with us. It's his passion to create AR effects that are so beautiful to look at and so intrinsic in terms of the experiences that he deliver. So I'll just quickly just talk about, next slide, please. So I'll quickly just talk about how AR is important in this day and age for folks like you and me. So since you guys are just going to be starting your career after your college, this can be something that you can look upon in terms of learning a new immersive technology, since everybody has been talking about it. There are a bunch of AR developers that work with Meta and work with different brands to create AR effects for AR effects for their campaigns or for different creators, celebrities, movies, etc. So the playground for you guys is pretty massive. It's just a matter of taking your first step. And I really, really hope that this is an exciting session, exciting workshop for you, and you come back for more for these workshops and learn with us. And happy to have any feedback from this group. And hope you guys have fun. Over to you, Maninder.
Hi, thank you, Shika ma'am, for introduction. So, hi everyone. Hi everyone. I will be teaching you about Sparkia. First of all, myself. My name is Maninder Singh, and I'm learning Spark for more than 2 years, and I created many packs, and also I created for many brands. To earn some money, you have to create for custom filters for brands. Wait, let me share my screen. So this is my filters. In here you can create all the 3D assets from Blender, and uh, add it in your Spark AR, or create any animated filters like this one, and there are many more filters like dancing filters, scary filter, and there are some brand filters also, and this one is VDI and collaborated. And so these are the brand. You can earn money from here also. Like if you are creating one filter, you can earn it like $250 around, or more than that, if your uh, if your filter is unique and you have very much knowledge. And there are also competitions also there, and participate in these competitions. You can earn money from here, like this first prize can earn to 20,000. And so these are lots of money. So I also participated in previous competition, and I place it on $1,000. So do participate. And these are this perk AI hub, where you will be adding your filters here, and you can check your portfolio from here. And and so what we are going to learn today is, wait, let me show you the demo video. uh, so in this video, uh, right now lowering my eyebrows like this, and the trigger is happening. And if I open my mouth, the trigger will this happen. And this one for smile. So you can create many effects in Spark AR. So let's jump in, create a new effect. uh, Go to blank project. Everyone can see my screen, right? Yes. And also I have uh, given the link, download the assets from there. And also, yeah, at the end of the video you will get the filter. And also create filter with me. uh, तो ये हमारा स्पार्क AR हब है। इसमें कैमरा है, डिवाइस है, पॉपुलर डिस्टेंस एंड ऑल। From camera texture, from camera you can extract your camera texture from here. Wait, let me show you. uh, like this. Wait, let me close this one first, and let me reopen and turn off video from this side. Stop cam. Is it clear now? Hello. uh, I'm sharing my screen now. Blank project. Go to blank project, guys, and please follow my steps. We gonna create a filter, and This is my camera. In camera, wait, let me turn on my USB camera. Camera is not working right now. Let me turn it from here. So this is my user window where you can see your filter, how it is working or not. And here you can extract the camera texture, what is your camera is seeing. And in here there are three segmentations, like person segmentation, hair segmentation, and skin segmentation. Person segmentation to color your full body, and or you can add anything in person segmentation. And hair segmentation to color your hair only, and skin to color your skin color. And in device you can add instructions. There are many instructions like body tracking, pen tracking, others, target tracking, hand tracking, and face tracking. And so let's start with the filter now. Okay. First, add canvas and add rectangle. So right now it is this in 0 by 0. It is in the position of 0 0.1 and 0 0.1 on extraction. So let's increase the size of the rectangle. This one. Let me change the mode to. This is my 2D mode. So because this is the 2D filter, so go to width, click on fill width, fill height, and you don't have to change anything. And click on material, click on plus, flat, and go to advanced render option and uncheck this one. Always uncheck this one if you are not using any 3D asset. So this is my flat material, and there are three materials, standard and physical based. For flat, I am creating 2D type filter, so I am taking the flat material. So click on here and go to camera. I already extracted the camera texture, and go here, get the person segmentation. Now now for the person, I will be adding the texture. In texture there is a camera texture available. From here you can check in your assets. uh, this is my camera texture. Now person is available, and go to alpha. On same material, go to alpha and apply your person segmentation here. So as you can see, it cut the background. So let's call it camera texture. Okay, so this one is my camera texture. And now create one more rectangle, and same method as previous one, fill width, fill height, and add one more material, flat, and this. So now let me change the color. Right now it is green part, there is no camera texture. So what we have to do is take the rectangle and just place it here. Just drag and drop here in between of canvas and camera texture, like this. So it will remove the my background texture and replace with this one. So let's call it background texture. So this is my background texture. uh, let's rename this one camera texture and background. Uh, so we are creating the filter. Let me rename this one. Uh, Fire angry BG, and just copy the name and paste here. Control V, control, and now I want to add animation sequence, fire animation sequence. So how to add the fire animation sequence? So click on here on plus icon and add animation sequence, and in here click on here, choose file. So guys, I have already given you the file, extract your zip folder, and in there you can find the fire animation texture. uh, so these are my pngs in sequence mode. You can extract any gif and convert it into the png sequence. I have also shared the link of how to convert. I will show you. uh, just and click on open and wait. So right now it is loading and taking time. So this is my fire animation texture, and right now it is showing 21 MB. So I don't want to compress my texture, right? So I click on none, none, and none. Now it is 1.30 MB only. And also click on your project properties first and change project properties. Add experience. uh, Add experience, like sharing experience, where you can test your filter on Instagram and Facebook as well. Now done. So this is my animation sequence. Let's call it fire. So this is and so now I will go here and add your animation texture here. Just click here, and as you can see, the animation is now started. So this is my fire animation, and also how to add any background and change anything in your background. And now uh, now go to show patch editor. So in here I can do coding, and like this I can drop like this in patch. And like camera, I'm dropping camera text, camera patch. And now click on focal distance, add uh, let's add face tracker first, and then add face mesh. And let me check the advanced render option.
Maninder, let's take a quick
Yes.
pause and check if everyone is on the same page.
Okay.
So, guys, I hope everyone has understood everything so far. If you have any questions or queries, you can put it in the chat and Maninder will be able to answer them.
Okay. So anyone have any problem, please let me know, or I will continue. Should I continue?
Any questions, anyone? Sure, Maninder, let's move forward. You can
Okay.
continue.
So right now I have applied the face mesh. This is for retouching the face mesh. Just click here, go to retouch. So this is my retouching material. If you don't want to use the face mesh, don't use it. This is optional. And now I will drop my face tracker in my batch editor in here. So this is my face tracker values like face finder, face select, and face tracker. So now I want fire angry BG when I load my eyebrows. So I will click on visibility. Wait, let's click here and okay. Now click like this. Click on face and there will be a node and like this and go to interaction. There will be eyebrows load. Click that and now I will attach the eyebrows load to my rectangle, visibility of the rectangle like this. And as you can see now it is removed. Whenever the user load the eyebrows, it will show the animation in the background. So let's add one more rectangle. Same method like this. Click on material and flat, and this one is retouch. Let's call it happy face, and same name as in material also, happy face. Now add one more animation sequence, same method. Animation, let's call it flower. Now I will be adding the flower overlay on my screen. So new texture, click on new texture and flower. And I already gave you flower 1, flower 2. uh, it depends on you, whichever you want to use the animation. There are three types of animation. uh, so I am using this one right now. Click on open. So and now go to happy face rectangle, click on material, happy face, and the, click on animation sequence flower. So this is my overlay of the happy face. Now again uh, extract, click on face, extract the node, uh, go to interaction, and let's say happy face. So this on happy face it will come like this. Attach the visibility here like this. Right now he is smiling, so animation is showing. And then uh, duplicate one more time. uh, let's duplicate from here. uh, Duplicate, and I will rename this one wow background. Okay, and then click on create new material and click on flat advanced render option like this. So, and now same I will be adding one more animation. uh, let's name it wow star wow stars animation like this, and create one more animation sequence, same method, animation sequence, and let's call it star. Click here. We're gonna use the same method, new texture. Click on star folder, add the animation sequence like this, and wait. And so if you guys have any problem, please let me know. And if you are unable to understand, I will repeat this step also. And if you are understanding, please add any smiley so I can know you are listening. Mhm. No question. Okay. So now the animation is imported. Uh, this is my stars animation. Same method, none. Now, um, now go to rectangle, wow background. Click on wow material like this, and add animation sequence stars like this. And now I will be using interaction with mouth extraction, mouth open like this. This is my mouth interaction, and on open state attach the visibility like this, and attach this one like here. So whenever user is angry or wow or happy, it will do the animation like this. So this is my coding part, and let's add the smileys now. Now click on face tracker and plane, and 0 point, uh, 0 point, 0.1. Let's 0.5. Click on material, create new material, and click on flat and advanced render option. So right now it is in white color. As you can see, this is my plane. This one is 3D plane. So let's add icons also. Um, environment texture, and I have also given you the icons folder, and drop all the icons here. Angry, happy, wow, pick, and click to none. Compression should be none like this. Now uh, I will be using three planes. Uh, so let's call it angry and duplicate this one, and let's call it happy and duplicate one more time, and let's rename this one wow. So now I will be clicking on material flat and change the color like this, and rename this material also angry, and I will be adding my texture here, angry texture like this. Now click on happy and add new material, create new material, click on material and flat, and advanced render option should be unchecked, and rename this one as happy. So this one is my happy material, and let's add texture happy. So, and now click on wow, create one more material. Wait, let me check this one happy, and click on wow and create one more material like this. Click on flat and uncheck this one, and now add wow png. So these are my pngs, uh, like this texture, angry texture, happy texture, and wow texture. All your textures should be dropped in asset panel. This is my scene panel which I am creating. In here you can check the values on your right hand side, and if you're clicking on rectangle, there are some properties like transformation, scale value, rotational value, and position value. You can change the position according if you want to move in your x direction or y direction, and you can also move your texture from here. Like if I stop the simulator video, as you can see, I'm moving my uh, plane in extraction. Here you can see the value is changing like this, and if you want to move up, you can see. Okay, if you okay now, and there is also a rotation like this. You can rotate your any object and scale let me visual now. And you can scale it from here also like this, and let's okay. So I'm gonna attach my angry one with eyeball law uh, like this. This is simple method, and happy to happy face, wow to mouth open like this. Now I will play the video. Happy face and angry wow face. So this is how you can create your own filter like this without these patches are easy to learn. So if anyone have any problem, please let me know. Guys, are you understanding? If you have any problem, please let me know. If you want to repeat me any step, I can repeat. कोई भी स्टेप किसी को नहीं समझ में आया हो. Guys, with this effect you can also participate in competition like Reskill. uh, Reskill department also holds some competitions also to participate in that. And lens list, there is also lens list. And one one is meta, you can participate in that to earn some money. uh, there are lots of opportunity also. And also you will get the different customers from all over the globe. uh, you can earn from $250 to $10,000. Between that you can create your filter and make it special range for any customer however you like. So if anyone have any problem, please let me know. Okay, so I will show you the uploading process of your filter. uh, so now I want to publish my filter. So what I have to do is first save this file. Save, let's call it. Wait, let me check the first interactions. uh, I can also add some instructions here like this. See all instructions. And let's check with anything with face. Mhm. Let's use a smile instructions like this. uh, Whenever I restart my camera, you can see in here it is saying smile. And then click on publish. Wait, I haven't saved my filter. Save this one. And let's rename as a the uh, this interaction. Mm, like this one is my face interaction. uh, so how to publish your filter? uh, Click on publish like this simple method. And publish new effect. Click on upload. It will redirect to the website. And remember to log in Spark AR Hub. So wait for the uploading. So here there are some blanks which you have to fill. First one is name. Let's call it emotion. and uh, uh, don't interfere this one, just remain at it and इसको छेड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर कुछ भी चेंज किया तो वो अपलोडिंग के बाद प्रॉब्लम होगी। एंड ऑडियंस शुड बी पब्लिक and categories like selfies, immersive, and appearance. You can add any keyword here like reaction, emotion, smile, angry, mood. So you can add anything. Now I want to upload my file. First, I will create a demo video. Now click on test on device, then send this link in your phone. So right now I'm sending to my phone and wait. So this is my test link, and it will be in my phone. When I will check my Instagram, it will be on a notification. Click on notification and accept, and create a demo video, record a demo video live, and save it in your phone. Then click here. They are saying add this versions like dot mov and dot webm and dot fmp4. So I have already recorded the video. Now I will convert my video. uh, Go to website. I will check online. Mhm. So I will add my video here, share it, video. So right now my video is in this format dot mp4, and if I check here, I cannot add any mpv4 video here. Like this, it will give you the error if I drop here. Okay, this one is on. They accepted the mp4 video also now, I think. So okay, if it is uploaded, no problem. So use it like this, and you can use the video icon like this, and it will also change here. Use a video thumbnail. You can check your video here on click on preview like this. And if you want to add your own specific icon, click here, choose file. I have already created one icon, and this one. So I will click on confirm. So this is my icon. Now click. I will be click on submit like this. Right now it is loading. If you guys have any question, please let me know. So I have submitted my filter. Right now it is in review process. It will take more than 24 hours to set the filter, or maximum days is 5 days. It will approve it between the 5 days. And so this is how you can create your filter and upload. And there are some also policies of the Spark AR which you have to avoid. Wait, uh, Spark AR policy. So this is my Spark AR policies in here. These things you have to avoid and do not. If the video is lagging, it will they will not accept the filter, and it should be responsive and must load. It, it should not take any time for the loading. And, and text, some text are also no, prohibited, like you cannot add any Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger or portal symbol in your filter. Like anything regarding which is showing the company, like कोई भी आइकन कंपनी का होगा तो उसको तुम ऐड नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर कोई ब्रांडेड कंपनी है, not like the Facebook, Instagram, like Zara and Vogue, you can add those text in your filter. And custom controls, these are not allowed. uh, Check the capabilities also, existing media. And so next one is names, and choose the name carefully. Yeah, गलत नहीं होने चाहिए कुछ भी, like not any showing the dirty meaning or demo videos in here. डेमो वीडियोस में वही वही डेमोस वीडियो डालना जो फिल्टर में है तुम्हारे. अगर कुछ और डाला तो तुम्हारा फिल्टर एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. और नो स्क्रीन कास्ट नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर लाइव वीडियो, नो स्टॉक वीडियो. और कोई किसी भी टाइप की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं चलेगी. यू हैव टू क्रिएट इन योर इंस्टाग्राम से ही बनेगी तुम्हारी वीडियो बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन योर लिंक एंड रिकॉर्ड एंड सेव दैट वीडियो फॉर सेम एज द वीडियो कॉलिंग. एंड डेमो वीडियो, बूमर रैंक, कुछ भी एडिटिंग वगैरह तुम्हारी वीडियोस में बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड आइकन्स आइकन्स मस्ट नॉट कंटेन मॉडल्स यूज्ड इन स्पार्क एआर. जो भी हमारी सिमुलेटर की वीडियोस हैं स्पार्क एआर की, उसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलेंगी. मतलब उनकी वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके. एंड these types of things you must have to avoid, like race, ethnicity, national, like कुछ भी रेसिज्म वगैरह या जेंडर से रिलेटेड कोई भी थिंग, या ड्रग्स एंड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी, उन उनके साथ बिल्कुल भी उनके लिए मतलब फिल्टर नहीं बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि इट इज अगेंस्ट द मेटा पॉलिसी. एंड कोई भी ड्रग्स नहीं ऐड कर सकते हैं आप अपने फिल्टर में. लाइक ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अवॉइड दिस स्वॉर्ड वगैरह, कुछ भी चाकू तलवार अलाउड नहीं है. और गैम्बलिंग से रिलेटेड बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए तुम्हारा फिल्टर. हाँ, अगर गाउलेट बना रहे हो तो वो अलग बात है, वो चल जाएगा, लेकिन मतलब सेलिंग के लिए नहीं यूज होना चाहिए वो फिल्टर। जस्ट फॉर गेम पर्पस यू कैन यूज दैट फिल्टर। एंड कुछ भी स्पैमी या लीड, कुछ भी जैसे कुछ भी स्पैमी टाइप नहीं होना चाहिए, या मिसलीडिंग फिल्टर कि मतलब ऐसा होगा ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना। और QR codes are not allowed in your filter. You cannot add any URL in your filter or any other scannable objects. And in social media handle, so these are the policies you have to avoid. And you also have you can also add music, but you need license for that. And so these are all the policies you have to learn. If you click on learn tab like this, in here there are lots of tutorials in here, uh, like this. If I click on type tutorials, as you can see, you can also learn from here. These are some videos which will tell you how to create your own filter from here also. And download these templates by clicking on any template. Like this is one is particle world system. If I click on video, it will show you how to create your effect like this one. And now I will uncheck this one. Okay, so this is how you can create your own filter. If you have any question, please let me know. थोड़ा सा सेगमेंटेशन का पार्ट कर लेते हैं. Let me close this one. Create tag project. Now add same method, add canvas, add rectangle like this, same fill width, fill height, and add material in here. Click on flat material like this, uncheck both, and go to camera. In your scene panel, click on texture extraction, and here is my camera texture. And click on segmentation, click on person. Let's rename this one as a person, and go back to the camera, add one more segmentation here, and again go back, add the skin. This one is my skin. So when I go to the rectangle, let's and click on material. I will add the camera texture. This is my camera texture, and this one is my person segmentation like this. So this one is my person segmentation, this one is my hair segmentation. And wait, let me change the video. So in my material there is also a blend mode which I will use right now. I will use for hair the multiply blend mode, so it will show the proper color of your hair like this. If I click on red, it will look like this. And so, suppose if I want to change my skin color like this, I can change my skin color with this method, and opacity like this if you want to use light or dark. So this is the opacity. uh, if I want, mm, let's say अगर मेरे को अपना हेयर और बॉडी का कलर सेम रखना है, तो let's first call it here and this, and duplicate this one and rename as a skin color, and add new material. Click on material and flat, and add this skin segmentation, and let's use the blue color like this, and change it to the multiply blend mode like this, and uncheck this one, check this one also. Okay, so this is my blue color. I will change the opacity like this, and you can also add face mesh here like this. If I click on face tracker and add face mesh, so in face tracker there is also a face extraction, like this part only, like this part only. You can extract this part only with the face. uh, in face tracker uh, इसमें सिर्फ फेस एक्सट्रैक्ट होएगा हमारा. So this one is my face tracker texture, and if I add the create new material, click on material, flat, and click on face texture. So right now I'm not seeing my eyes and mouth. uh, it right now it is like this right now. If I click on my face mesh and uncheck this options like this, now it will show like this. So this is how you will be creating your person segmentation filter. So if you guys have any problem, please let me know. गाइस किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है? कुछ तो होएगा, किसी ने कुछ पूछना होएगा. Like how to sell my filters.
Thank you, Maninder.
Welcome,
I
sir.
hope everyone has learned something new today, and I request everyone to submit your AR effects in the form shared in the chat. So go back and try Spark AR Studio, try to build your AR effects. If you have any queries, we can connect again and in the second workshop, and
And
Maninder will
also,
do.
guys, if you have created any filter, please tag Reskill and Meta and also me, and you can also collaborate with me. So this one is my Instagram ID, Yup Madi. You can save and ask me on Instagram about any question, or you can ask in Reskill group also any question if you are facing any problem. And do tag Meta and Reskill and me. सर लिंक सेंड कर देना इनको और फिनिश प्रोजेक्ट का.
Yes, I will share the finished product with everyone over the email, and you can create your AR effects and submit them with us as soon as possible, and we'll connect during the second workshop. Thank you and have a good day. Thank
Bye
you,
everyone.
Maninder.
Welcome.